don't want to go.
You need to get away from this war. Come here, come on.
Do you remember arriving here?
Oakwood! This is Oakwood!
Like it was yesterday.
These are for your village, and watch out for nits. Good luck.
I was brought here from London when I was a little girl.
I'm Bobby.
I'm Lily.
Patty, Ted.
So I know what you must be feeling.
Look at all the stars you can see. It's scary.
It's not scary. It's the countryside. Someone's in there.
I'm not on a secret mission.
It's now or never.
Nobody knows I'm doing this.